guys, happy Sunday. It's Sunday. I thought I'd do something a little different today, talking about a problem I've been having. So really quick, the kitchen remodel is still ongoing. It's getting very close to being done though. Very exciting. So check everything out. It's not quite done, but it's getting close. There's a little bit of an echo. It's so empty. So anyway, before this whole spot was kind of closed in. So now it's nice and bright and yeah, it's still... I'm not going to leave the plastic up, don't worry. I like the plastic, I'm not going to leave it up. But anyway, okay, so I love shopping. Lately, there's been a few things I've wanted that I found on Poshmark, and what was the other site? There's another website that sells, huh?
OfferUp?
What? OfferUp?
No, eBay?
eBay, no, I don't know. Poshmark and Keeks handbags. That's where it is. So I bought a little shirt that I couldn't find listed anywhere else. Smelled like perfume, washed it, dry cleaned it, all of that good stuff. And it still had a scent to it. So you can check that out. It's kind of a fun White House Black Market shirt. And I bought a little bag, a little purse, and it had a very strong scent to it. Very strong, like perfume scent to it. So I tried a lot of different things to get the scent out. I tried just airing it out. Tried kind of washing it, wiping it. I tried wiping this with different cloths. I stuck baking soda in the purse for a long time, probably 3 months, 4 months. I tried charcoal bags. I have probably 10 of these, recycling them through. They still kind of smell like the perfume. I tried these odor absorber things, stuck them in the bag. I tried to stick all of these things in the bag. At one point, I had everything stuck in this bag. And it still smelled like perfume. Oh, here's the little handle, little strap. Nothing smells like perfume anymore, though. And none of these things helped after months. And then I'd stick these charcoal bags in the sunlight for like a day and recharge them, apparently. Stick them back in there. Nothing. Smell is still there. Baking soda. This. Charcoal. Airing it out. 3-4 months. I want to say I started this in June. Didn't make a difference. It still smelled, you could smell it from the room you're standing in. It smelled so bad. I even tried the perfumey bags, you know. Hang on. These things. I tried putting it in. So these are like Walmart bags that smell like mint, which I'm like, mint is not a bad smell. So I tried sealing them in a mint bag with the charcoal, with the odor absorber, with the baking soda. For that, I tried that for a month. Didn't work. So I finally figured out a solution that worked after all of this effort and things, and I feel so dumb. I should have just tried it before because I would have saved all this money on these stupid things, which I guess will have a use maybe at some point. So if you have something that has a smell stuck in it, whether it's perfume, one time I got a massage, and whatever massage lotion they used at the spa had a scent in it. I had a Lululemon zip-up kind of jacket thing. It smelled like that perfume. I washed it in the washing machine like 5 times and it still didn't come out. So, finally figured this out. So, my work is your reward. My efforts, you will be happy. So, okay. So, we got this box.
Show you with the box. Who's in the box? What's in the box?
And I put my bag in here, and I put the zip up in here, and I put the sweater from White House Black Market that was all covered in perfume in here. How long did we put it in here for, this box?
About an hour and a
An
half.
hour and a half. And this box has something special in it, and this is just a box. Where did we get this at? IKEA or something?
That one's from Walmart.
Oh, this one's from Walmart.
But they're out of stock
okay.
right now.
But they're out of stock. But anyway.
I'll link to the
So it's
IKEA
just a
one.
small box, and inside is this tiny little machine.
What is it?
And it's just an ozone machine, and ozone has been proven to remove scents. So we put this in the garage. You don't want to inhale ozone directly yourself. It's not good. Recently, I read on a Reddit post where somebody was in a hotel room overnight, and the hotel had 3 separate ozone machines running. They thought it was portable air conditioning machines, and they slept and they woke up sick. You don't want to inhale ozone. It's not good for you, which is why we have the bin. And we also, just to be on the safe side, we put it in the bin, put the lid on, and then put it in the detached garage just to be on the safe side.
Nice.
Probably do it outside if it's nice, if you don't live in Minnesota. Actually, it's nice today in Minnesota, but the winters are not fun. But anyway, so this little machine, stick this bag in here, put the lid on, hour and a half, almost anything you have that has a strong scent, it will be gone. And cameraman, can you explain to them why ozone works?
In a very non-scientific way, sure. Ozone is basically oxygen with an extra molecule, and it looks for other molecules to combine with. So basically, it's like airing it out on turbo.
Yeah.
And it just it takes what airing out would do and just condenses the time.
Yeah, okay. That's a good explanation. Very scientific. But anyway.
I'll link to Wikipedia.
So getting this big at Poshmark saved me a ton because otherwise I think if you bought this from Louis Vuitton, even though it's like the smallest little thing, I think it's like $3,000. So anyway, buying used on Poshmark, and to be honest, I haven't used it yet. And it's so small I don't know if I'll ever use it, but whatever. It's cute. It's a baby. It's adorable. Louis Vuitton little bag. But anyway, so for like, I don't know, a day it smelled like ozone kind of chemical, and now it doesn't smell like anything. It has no smell at all, which is amazing. Same thing with my sweater that had that strong perfume scent. Whoever had it before me must have used some perfume, although it still has the tags on it, but maybe they said perfume in their house or fragrance or something. But anyway, so all those things, this little ozone machine did a great job. Hotels use them apparently. Like if you buy something that has like a smoke smell, it'll get that out. I've heard hotel rooms run ozone machines in rooms they're not renting. That's the key. Don't be in a room where they are using it because they're not supposed to. But anyway, to get like smoke out, or if somebody had a dog in there, or if
car detailers use them.
Yeah, they use it a lot for cars that have like a mildewy smell or a smoke smell or whatever smell. So I just found it pretty handy, and it's totally random for a skincare channel, but it really was super helpful. So if you have any totally random tips, let me know. But yeah, so I wish this, how much was this ozone little thingy?
I think it's like $30.
So literally, if I, instead of buying all these stupid, I probably went through like 5 of these. These are probably 10 or 15 bucks. These are probably like 10 bucks. If I would just bought the stupid little ozone machine to begin with, I'd probably be saving a little bit more money. But anyway, I just found it interesting because it just smelled so bad. And I mean, I could smell it in the room, and it's like, well, I don't want to don't know what to do with this thing I just spent money on online. You know, I spent money on it, real money, and don't want to get rid of it, but I don't want to also resell it on Poshmark to somebody else that's going to get it and be like, gosh, this thing smells, you know what I mean? So, because it's kind of, I don't know, sucks when you get something that smells so bad that you can't even use it, but now it's totally usable, and I can fit maybe a cell phone in there. But anyway.
The perfume was so strong that it was sitting on the island of the new kitchen, and I was sitting all the way over right about here, and I could smell the perfume. And
it wasn't a very good perfume smell. I mean, if it was like vanilla or mint or cinnamon, that's one thing, but just, I don't know, the floral scent, it was bad. So just thought maybe it'd be helpful for somebody else. It's totally random and off field, but I know there's got to be somebody else that's had this issue before. Just be careful. Do it in a contained box in a separate room. Don't inhale it.
Careful when you open the box too.
Yeah.
Don't stick your head in there.
Yeah, don't stick your head in the ozone. But can you imagine spending a night in a room with 3 of those machines going? Oh, anyway, gross. But yeah, so anyway, just a totally random tip out of left field, because I know a lot of you guys don't love fragrance either. And you know what? Sometimes there's subtle fragrances that aren't bad, but sometimes there's just strong fragrances and they're just too much. So yeah, I think that's probably meant to be used in a car, the size of it and stuff.
It says for small rooms.
For small rooms, okay, yeah.
Careful on the Amazon listing, they show it just like plugged into a bathroom. Don't run it that way.
Don't be in the room with it, yeah.
But it needs to be done in an unoccupied room.
Yeah, don't mess with ozone. So anyway, just totally random thoughts. Leave your comments below. Do you have anything scented that you want to get rid of the smell of? Leave a comment below, and I'll link to this in the description. So thanks so much, and I'll see you guys more tomorrow. Okay, thanks. Bye, guys.